Class, our today's new topic is exponent. So what is exponent? Class, if we multiply a number by itself, if we multiply any number by itself in several times, maybe in 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, if we multiply any number by several times, then it can be written in the short form. It can be written in the short form, and that short form is called exponential or power notation. What we said, that power notation or exponential. So how to write this in short form, that we will discuss later, but what we call that exponential or power notation. But how to write that in short form, that is important. In this time you just observe how many times you multiply the number. Your number is 2 and you multiply 2 by so many times. You multiply 2 so many times by itself. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's are here. So you can write that 2 to the power 6. So this 2 to the power 6 is your answer, and we call this power notation or exponential. It's important, class. This 2 is called base and this power 6 is called exponent. Understand? Or we can say it index. So normally we use the word exponent this chapter based on the exponent. It means this. And how to read this? 2 to the power 6. So this is your base 2 and your power 6 is called exponent. And how to read this? 2 to the power 6. Understand? Now second topic is, if your numbers are, if I am talking about this 1, 2, 3, 4, what is the meaning of that? 2 to the power 4. So what is the meaning of that? 2 to the 4 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So we can write 16 in the form of 2 to the power 4. But you can see, class, your answer is in this time positive. But if I am talking about negative number, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, what is the meaning of that? Minus 2 to the power 3. So what is the meaning of that? 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8. But if you have a negative sign, at that time you also multiply the symbol. So minus into minus plus, and plus into minus, minus 8. So what is the meaning of that, class? The meaning is, if you have a negative symbol, at that time you should understand it can be positive answer or it can be negative answer. So the result will be maybe positive or negative. How? I will explain you more. If I am, class, talking about positive numbers, so you multiply positive numbers so many times, your answer is always positive. There is no problem. But only consider your negative number. Understand? If I multiply minus and minus 2 times, the answer is minus 2 square. If I multiply 3 times, minus 2 to the power 3. If I multiply it 4 times, so what result you will get? Later I will explain you. 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, class, understand, especially for negative integers. Understand? So minus 2 to the power 2, that is 2 into 2, 4, and minus into minus plus. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the 4 to the 8, and your symbol is minus into minus plus and plus into minus, minus. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, and minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, class 2 to the power 5 means 32, minus into minus, you can say minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, and plus into plus, plus, and plus into minus, minus. So what do you understand by that? You can see when your power is even, then your answer is positive. Your power is even, answer is positive. But when your power is odd, at that time your answer is in negative form. In negative number, if power is even, then answer is positive, and if power is odd, at that time your answer should be in negative. For symbol, it's very important. For symbol, it's very important. Power is even, it is positive. Power is odd, then the answer is in negative. It's for negative integer. Understand? So remember this, don't forget that. So I give you the example, minus 1 power 60. So this is a even number, it's even. So what is the meaning of that? Answer is 1. But if I am talking about minus 1 to the power 59, it's odd, so definitely answer is minus 1. Minus 1 power 999, it's odd number, so definitely answer is minus 1. Minus 1 power 1000, definitely it's even number, so answer always in positive 1. So this is how you solve your negative integer. One more thing which is very important, you all know rational number. So if I am talking about 4 by 5 power 2, so it is also a exponent of this rational number. So the meaning is 4 to the power 2 upon 5 to the power 2. The meaning is 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5. Understand? So this is how you solve the rational number.